Today I'm making Tortano with you. Some people would also call it Casatiello. The difference is that Tortano has the eggs inside and not outside, while Casatiello has the eggs outside and not inside. If you want the original recipe for Tortano or Casatiello, and while we're at it, I'll also tell you about pizza Ciena. Just search for Tortano Gaiano, Casatiello Gaiano, or pizza Ciena Gaiano. Today, since I have very little time but a big craving for Tortano, call it Casatiello, call it Tortano. Actually, this is a Tortano. I thought I'd prepare it this way. It really only takes a few minutes. The only thing that takes a while, so to speak, is the baking. Let's make this delicious dish together. Let's get started. First of all, I cut the cold cuts and cheeses, so I start by cutting the salami. I slice it into strips first and then into rather small cubes. Then I cut the cooked ham. I cut the pancetta, after removing the rind and some of the peppered part. Then I cut the spicy provolone, trying to cut this into rather small pieces as well. Then I add the mild provolone and mix everything together. Now on the counter I've rolled out a sheet of pizza dough. I spread the pecorino all over the surface. Then I add the black pepper, hard-boiled eggs, which I distribute here and there. Let's try to arrange everything evenly. Then I add the cold cuts and cheeses. Look how beautiful and loaded it is. I leave a bit of space on the edges now. Using the parchment paper to help, I roll it up tightly, a bit like you do with a meatloaf. Okay. Now, I'm joining the two ends together. By the way, my two cookbooks are available only on Amazon worldwide. Just search for Carlo Gaiano recipes and you'll get them in no more than 2 days. In moving the Casatiello, the Tortano into a mold. Lightly grease it, arrange it a bit, and brush the top with egg yolk. Then I put it in the oven, already nice and hot, and bake at 160-170 in static mode for at least 45 minutes. Let's see. Look how beautiful it is. Let's see. But do we realize? Oh my goodness. It's a show. That we want to add more to. Do it. And let me know what you think in the comments below. For now, I'll say goodbye, and as usual, before I leave you, I want to take the opportunity to wish you a good meal.